Hey guys, welcome to MyAirbags.com. I'm Eli. Today we're in a Honda CRV and we're going to go over how to put the gear shift into neutral without any keys. Right here in the center console by the stick shift, you want to go ahead and move this whole piece up. You can do it with a little pry bar, get right underneath, or just use even pressure right underneath and pop it right up. You can go ahead and snap these little panels on the side off, and the sides come off as well. Once we have this piece up, you want to make sure the car is on level ground and there's something under the tires so it doesn't roll back or forth. Here, we're going to lift this up. This white plastic piece you see here, you can go ahead and press down on this and simultaneously take the shift knob and you can place it into neutral.